Hi everybody, Josiah here, also known as Chilling Silence, and we're going to keep this really short and sweet today, but we've got some cool stuff coming out here from DigiByte in the form of a comic. We've actually got a trailer for the comic here, which is really cool, and I'm really excited about this, and also Byte Comics as well, both coming out. Fantastic way to educate people and teach them about DigiByte in a really fun and informative way. Speaking of teaching people though, one of the things that we are looking at doing is some DigiByte Core wallet tutorials. Just the basics, how to download it, how to install it, how to back up your private keys, where are they stored, what does it mean when you are connecting to other peers, for example, that sort of thing. So, really excited about that. Stay tuned, we'll get that coming out over the coming weeks. Now, finally here, we've also got an AMA coming from the DigiByte Foundation. So this is Rudy, Hans, and Rutger, and Nigel, all running this, all going down now inside of Telegram. I'll include a link in the description below for you to jump right in, ask them any questions that you have, and enjoy. Anyway, that's all from me for today. Hope you've enjoyed this. Really short, really sweet. I'm going to go join in and participate in the AMA. If you do have any questions, feel free to sing it in the comment section below. Otherwise, I'll talk to you in the next video. We'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.